Welcome back, boys. Review time with
It's cough
Mush.
Oh hey guys, today we got a care package from Mamma Jamma. It is microwavable pork rinds. We're gonna see what that's about. Here's what they look like pre-popped, like a little, almost like a, smells garlicky, like a beef jerky stick almost. Throw that bad boy in there. We're almost there. Woo, they're popping. Woo, reveal. They look very pork rindy. They honestly smell really good. Smells super garlicky. I like it. You can hear them sizzling. Oh yeah, that smells really freaking good. Look at that fat boy. It's still popping. It's probably not even done. That is crunchy as all kinds of heck. It tastes a little garlicky, a little porky. Unbelievable crunch. I think this is honestly a really cool idea. You can bring these little bags with you whenever. Microwave them. Have a little treat, maybe on a lunch break. Probably gonna bring a couple of these to my job. Let the boys try them. Yeah. Mamma Jamma. Y'all did pretty good. I could see myself actually though going out of my way to buy these. They have a few other flavors too. If garlic's not your taste, but I actually recommend it. I like garlic stuff, and it's not super over the top garlicky. It's enough to enjoy every day. Why not? Gotta hit these bad boys with a 4.5 out of 5 sneaky snakes. What do you think, Velocita Spider Man? I'll show you. So, be sure to visit freshporkrinds.com and get yourself a bag of these bad boys. And when you do, be sure to enter their little contest kind of thingy that they do, where you can get a free bag. Wowzers.
Like, comment, and subscribe, but don't forget to vibe.